Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you one of the best, and I say the best, cheesy scalloped potatoes right here in VELDOGG's Kitchen. Alright guys, I got some potatoes right here. You can see those right there. I don't know how many it's going to take to fill up this pad. Normally I make a lot. These is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 potatoes. And they like medium size. Okay, now you know I don't use onions. Okay, but for you guys, if you like onions, you know, slice these up pretty thin. Cut them in half and slice them up pretty thin. Alright. I have some butter. This is salted butter. And I have some flour, just a 1/4 cup of that. I have some black pepper. I have some garlic powder. I have some nutmeg. I have some heavy whipping cream. This is like 16 ounces. I have some pink sea salt, Himalaya. And I have some onion powder right there. Now, I have some, in this bag right here, this is sharp white cheddar cheese. Alright, this one right here, this is Kobe. No, this ain't Kobe. This is mild cheddar right here. I did label this one. This is Kobe right here. Alright, and then this one right here is some mozzarella and Gouda mix. Okay, so I don't know how much cheese I'm gonna put in there, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna wing it out. Alright. Now, right here, I have a slicer, and we're going to slice these potatoes up. I'll show you how to do one, and then we'll do the rest off the camera, okay? So, that's how you're doing. Just like that. Alright. I don't know why they got this thing in there. Oh, there you go. You gotta push it there. Alright. So these are gonna be kind of a little bit thick. Not as thick, but about like this size, okay? Alright, that's one. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these off the camera, so we can go ahead and get these stuff going. I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Just wanted to show you the potatoes. I'm trying to let them dry out a little bit. I did have the oopsie daisy. That's why I'm trying to tell you, when you in here cutting up stuff and all that good stuff, be careful. Please be careful. So I almost chopped my whole thumb off. Here's that. Okay. So I was slicing. And I decided I want to get down to the last little bit. And I went like this and I said, oh, dang. So I was down for about a good half an hour trying to fix this up. And my potato that got brown and everything. So I wrapped all this up, put some antiseptic and some antibiotics and all that stuff on it. So yeah, it stopped bleeding for the moment, but yeah, it's been got it cut right up in here. So I didn't chop nothing off. It's still attached. Okay, so just letting you guys know, just be careful. Okay, I just wanted to show you the potatoes. See, we don't stop. We keep going. In the real world, you will cook in a kitchen or whatever. We just wrap it up, put a glove on, and go right back to work. That's what we do. Alright guys, I'll see you guys over there at the stove when we get to making up this roux in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. What I did here is put like 6 tablespoons of butter in here. And we're just going to stir this up, let it melt down. We got the 1/4 cup of flour. We're going to add that in there. And we're going to put 2 cups of milk in there. This is white milk. And we're going to put 2 cups of this cream in there. Okay. 16 ounces. We're just going to stir this up. Get this thick. Before we get it all thick, we're going to get some black pepper. Put some of that in there. Maybe like 1/4. Put 1/4 of salt. We got our garlic. I had to grab the new one, didn't I? Put 1/4 of this in there. Alright. We're going to stir that up. Incorporate that in here good. And let this stuff get thick. Got onion powder. Tablespoon of that. So we're not using real onion. Starting to get a little thick. Now we're going to put in some cheese in there. I got the cheddar. Put like a cup of that in there. It'll probably be like a handful for me. I have big hands. Then we're going to go with, that's white cheddar. Then we're going to come with some regular cheddar. Okay, like that, guys. We're going to stir that up, turn this off. We don't want it too thick. Get that taste. See, do it need anything? I would say it needs a little bit more salt. Don't get carried away with the salt, because it will get salty on you. Alright. See how thick that is? That's how we want it. Now, we're going to take us some nutmeg. 1/4. That's it. And we're going to take this off. And we'll start working on our stuff. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys. I am back. Just going to pour some of this sauce in here. Like that. Move that around in there. Put this over here on the countertop. I don't want to burn my table. Guess I'm going to have to be using this. So, just going to move this around up in here a little bit. Take our potatoes. Ain't got to be pretty and uniform. They're going to get 8. Okay? That's for sure. Alright. What we're going to do here, we're going to throw some more sauce in there. Okay? Just like that. We're going to come with some cheese. That white cheddar. Come with this Kobe. So that's about half a cup. Well, just go with 2 cups of well, just a cup a piece. Okay. Just like that. See if I can get my other stuff. Alright. This is my cheddar. That's it. Put some more potatoes. Here's why I say don't put a lot of salt in there, because on this stage we're going to season that. Okay, with a look, we dusting. Okay, so we're going to put a little salt, a little black pepper. Now at this point you can put your onions and stuff if you wanted to. Come with my onion powder and my garlic. Just dusting. Don't put a lot. That's why I didn't give you a measurement. Just dusting it. It's your onion. Okay. Some more sauce. See how this is working? Almost like making a lasagna or something. Okay. Some more potatoes. See? Not that hard. Scalloped potatoes. Cheesy scalloped potatoes. Okay, we're going to put some more sauce on that. Alright. Now, we're going to come up with some more cheese, or Kobe. I did shred all of my cheese up. That's why it's in these big bags. I did this before I started. White cheddar. Okay guys, I am back. I'm just going to dust this with a little black pepper on the top of this one. I did taste the sauce. The sauce tastes pretty good. I'm going to go with a little onion powder. A little bit. Alright. Alright, now we're going to top this with some, with that Kobe. With my mozzarella and Gouda. Get some more of that on there. Sorry, my camera had died on me. A little sharp cheddar, white cheddar. So you can really tell how fresh this is because it sticks together. Go with Kobe. Then we go with cheddar, and that's going to be it. We're going to put this bad boy in the oven for about a good hour. Half an hour, we'll take it off, take the lid off, and let it brown on the top. Okay? So that's what you should be looking at, guys. Something just like that, okay? Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for about a good half an hour, and then I'm gonna take the lid off. Hold on. Might well go ahead and put that on there now. Make sure that's pretty tight on there. Alright, that's it. I'll see you guys when this gets done in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There it is, my cheesy scalloped potatoes. Right there, all day, every day. Of course, it's super hot. Now you do want this to cool down and stuff, okay? And let the seasoning sit and rest in there. Alright? So yes, it cooked for about an hour and 15 minutes. Alright? And that's hot, but it tastes real good. So all I did was put little parsley flakes on there. Now if you want to put some scallions and stuff on there, like when I cut it, I'm going to throw me some scallions on mine. I got scallions right here. Alright? So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like and share, and tell all your friends to come to VELDOGGS Kitchen and hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time at VELDOGGS Kitchen. And thank you for watching. In a minute.